exact same way.
Okay. Hi everyone. My name is Edwin, and this is
Giancarlos.
Okay. He says he can finish 2 Rubik's Cube in time that it takes me to finish 1 Rubik's Cube. So we're gonna put it on test and put it on video and see if it's actually true. Alright, so you ready?
Yep.
Okay, now you mark. Don't look. You mark, get set, go. Alright, I think you're messing up. Yeah, you took a wrong turn somewhere.
A long turn?
Wrong turn, yes. That is possible. You can take a wrong turn somewhere. You know, all that moving does not mean you're actually solving it. You know that, right?
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Well, yeah, you know that, but how do you know I'm solving or not?
I think you're just faking it.
Don't doubt me.
Yeah, well...
Stop trying that. Just stop trying.
I'm trying to mess you up.
Yeah, just stop it. You know what was done with this first one.
No, you cannot be done with the first one already. Unless you're cheating, though.
I'm not cheating.
I think you are.
You hear it turning.
Oh my god, are you freaking kidding me? No way. Stop, man. That was too fast. That must have been already done.
No, it wasn't.
No. That's not fair, man.
That was hard, dude. You owe me $10.
No.
You're gonna owe me $10, dude.
Cheater, I swear to God.
What? How am I cheating? Tell me. How can I possibly be cheating? Because when we're done with this, I want you to look back into the video and see if I cheated anywhere. Anywhere at all.
The people at home will see if you actually are cheating. And they'll tell me. They'll put it in the comments or something. You watch.
I'm not cheating.
There must be something to the way you're doing this. Okay. 1, 2.
Let me see that.
Wait, finish this movie.
Let me see that.
Alright, whatever. Okay, I'm going to the videotape. It can't be.
Bye!